30 years, one focused wire drawing dies. RedStar, made in China, serving the world. We are not beginners. Trusted OEM partner for German and Japanese die makers, 8+ years and still growing. We understand European standards, confidentiality, and your expectations. From 0.01 millimeters to 60.00 millimeters. PCD, natural diamonds, tungsten carbide, nano-coated CVD. Drawing dies, extrusion dies, stranding dies, enamelling dies. We also offer die reconditioning services. Copper, steel, stainless steel, alloy wire. Different materials need different angles, different life. We don't sell generic dies. We design dies for you. Every die, 100% inspected. Every shipment, with inspection certificate. Tolerance of plus minus 0.001 millimeters, mirror finish. New customer, start with a trial order. Sample price equals batch price. We don't make money on samples. We earn your trust. Reconditioning service. Give your old dies a second life. Longer life, less downtime, consistent quality. Your cost per ton, that's the price that matters. RedStar Wire Drawing Die Factory. Not the cheapest, but the safest choice for your production. Contact us. Start with one sample.